Welcome back to the channel. What did we get ourselves into today? Today we're going to take a little ride on an ATV, but before we do, we're going to show the folks one important thing about the little fuel petcock. We're going to walk over to the bike right now. I'm going to flip the lens. Here's a little Suzuki 300 King Quad bike. It's a little agricultural bike. Lots of gear selections up here, great for the farm, fun little bike to use. What I want to look at here, we're going to come down in here and we're going to take a look. This is the little fuel cock right here, and right now the little selector is in the on position. There's also a PRI, which is a prime position, and there's a res position, R-E-S, res. That's basically reserve fuel. So if you're in running the bike and you run out of gas, you will switch the little fuel selector on the fuel cock from on to prime for about 20 seconds, then which will refill the carburetor bowl. Then you'll flip it on res, which is reserve, and you're gonna make like hay to get some gas at the closest place you can. Anyway, hope you have a little bit of fun with your bike, and this may get you out a little bit of trouble if you run out of gas. This is a check on the wind column. We'll see you next time.